Hello guys, in this video lecture I will teach you how to install Django on your Mac. So in order to install Django, the first step is to install a tool called pip, and I've already installed it on my Mac. How do I know it? I can simply type pip 3 version, and as you can see, I'm using this pip version, pip 23.0.1. yeah, so how do we install Django then? You can install Django by typing pip 3 install Django. It's just that simple, and then you can specify which version of Django you want to install. We type 2.2. You can specify, you can use 2.1. I think it's also possible, and then you type enter. Yeah, so it was already installed. I did it already in the past, as you can see, already satisfied. Yeah, so that's how you can install Django. Django is actually a Python web framework. We can use it to build or to create some web application. So in the future days, in the future, we are going to use it to create some nice web application. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you found some value from this video. Feel free to like, share and comment, and thank you for watching. See you next time.